Welcome to your front row seat of Palio di Siena. Today I will show you a stunning apartment with direct and independent access from the street in a prestigious historic palazzo in the center of Siena. This amazing property spans over 3 floors for a total of 230 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, private 80 square meters garage, 4 windows, and offer the most amazing view in Piazza del Campo, one of the most exclusive piazzas in Italy. In this square takes place the traditional horse race, Palio di Siena, dating back to the 17th century. Did you know? During the Palio, an apartment like this can cost up to 20,000 euros per day. Step inside this spacious light-filled apartment where each room features high frescoed ceiling and large windows that allow natural light to flood the space through the day. With tones of natural lights and flexible layout potential, the apartment is a dream for customization. Imagine luxury suites, personal residence, or a smart investment right in the heart of Siena. And here's a fun fact. During Siena's world famous Palio, apartments with more windows are pure gold. This one, let's just say, it's full of opportunity. Consider that a window is rented from 300 to 1,500 to see few minutes of the Palio. More than just a residence, this apartment is a chapter of a Siena story, waiting for its next daughter and can be yours for 2.4 million euros. Thank you for joining us in this incredible home tour, and we see you soon in the next property tour. Bye!